Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Ring drone is probably one of the most innovative advancements in home security technology, offering a unique perspective on surveillance with its flying capabilities, allowing it to patrol your home from above and capture footage that traditional stationary cameras simply cannot reach, providing an unparalleled level of awareness and peace of mind for homeowners seeking the next level in smart home protection. Number 5. Ring Indoor Cam, White. Keep an eye on your home or business, day or night. It provides a clear view in 1080p HD video, even in low light conditions. It records a few extra seconds before motion is detected. This ensures you get a more complete picture of any event. Control your privacy with a manual cover that turns off the camera and microphone. Simply swivel it to reactivate. Receive real-time alerts when motion is detected. You can customize the detection zones to focus on what matters most. Easily place it on a table or mount it high with its flexible swivel. Its plug-in design makes it simple to move anywhere you need it. Rewatch past events, get AI-powered alerts, and unlock more features with a compatible Ring Protect subscription. Connect it with Alexa for audio announcements when motion is detected. Stream video, get instant alerts, and control features with your voice. What we like. This camera offers crystal clear 1080p HD video with advanced pre-roll to capture those crucial moments before motion is detected. Its manual privacy cover ensures your peace of mind when not in use. If you're looking for a reliable indoor security camera with user-friendly privacy controls, this is a great choice for your home or small business. What people say. The camera can fly around your home and record video. It has a built-in siren to deter intruders. The drone can be manually controlled using the app. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 Ultralight Drone. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's as light as an apple and fits in your palm. This compact and convenient drone is your perfect travel companion, changing how you capture memories. Capture breathtaking content with its 12MP camera. It shoots in 4K video and features a 3-axis gimbal for consistently smooth and impressive image quality, no matter how you fly. Experience up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission with excellent anti-interference. This allows you to fly farther and see your surroundings with greater clarity. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time, giving you ample time to get the perfect shot. It can also withstand level 5 winds and take off at high altitudes, ensuring stable footage. Safely and conveniently capture your dream shots without getting too close. The 4x digital zoom allows for seamless transitions between different shot distances and compositions. With just a few taps, automatically record and shoot professional-level videos ready for social media. The app helps you create impressive results with soundtracks and filters, perfect for any flyer. What we like. This drone is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it the perfect travel companion for capturing stunning aerial footage. Its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal produce smooth, professional-quality videos, while the 10 km HD transmission range lets you explore farther. If you're a traveler or content creator who values portability and high-quality aerial shots, this drone is for you. What people say. The camera is small and unobtrusive, blending well with home decor. It offers a wide field of view, capturing most of the room. The drone feature allows for aerial monitoring of hard-to-reach areas. Number 3. DJI Mini SE Drone. Weighing less than a smartphone, this drone is incredibly light. In many regions, you can fly it without registration, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Designed for creators on the go, its ultra-portable form factor lets you capture life's moments in unforgettable ways. Take it anywhere and create stunning visuals. Enjoy more time in the air with up to 30 minutes of flight on a single charge. It stays airborne longer than comparable drones, giving you ample time to explore. Capture breathtaking 12MP photos and 2.7K HD videos. The advanced 3-axis gimbal ensures incredibly stable and smooth footage, even in challenging conditions. Fly with confidence even in windy conditions. It can handle winds up to 38 km per hour and take off at high altitudes, ensuring stable shots along coastlines or mountains. Even if you're new to drone flying or video editing, the intuitive app offers templates to create amazing videos with just a tap. Turn any moment into a social media hit easily. What we like. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone is designed for ease of use, even for beginners, and may not require registration in some regions. It boasts improved wind resistance for stable flight and offers a generous flight time. If you're new to drone flying and want a stable, easy-to-handle option for capturing everyday moments, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The camera can fly around your home and record video. It has a unique design that allows it to patrol your house. The drone can be used for security purposes, providing a new way to monitor your property. Number 2. Roku Indoor Camera. Keep an eye on your home from anywhere. Check in on your kids and pets easily using your Roku TV, player, or the Roku Smart Home mobile app. See everything in stunning 1080p HD color, even in complete darkness or bright sunlight. Get a clear picture of any room, anytime. Access a live stream, adjust settings, and even talk to your pets directly from the Roku Smart Home mobile app. It's convenient home monitoring in your pocket. Receive immediate notifications the moment motion or sound is detected. Stay informed whether you're out or relaxing at home. Easily check your camera's feed directly on your Roku TV or player. Simply use your remote or Roku voice to bring up the live stream. Enhance your security with optional cloud recording and smart detection for people, pets, and more. Get only the alerts that are important to you. Setting up your new camera is a breeze. Our Roku Smart Home app provides easy-to-follow photo and video guides to get you started in minutes. What we like. This indoor camera provides clear 1080p HD color night vision, ensuring you see every detail, day or night. Its seamless integration with Roku TVs allows for easy viewing of your camera feed. If you're already in the Roku ecosystem and want a simple, integrated solution for monitoring your home, kids, or pets, this camera is a convenient choice. What people say. The camera can fly around your home and give you a bird's-eye view. It can also record video and take pictures. The drone is very quiet when it flies. Number 1. Holy Stone HS700E 4K UHD Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with our 4K UHD camera. Its advanced electronic image stabilization ensures incredibly smooth and clear footage, even in motion. The wide 130-degree field of view lets you capture more of the scene in every shot. Enjoy precise and stable flight thanks to dual satellite GPS positioning. If the signal is lost or the battery runs low, the intelligent return-to-home feature will guide it back safely. Perfect for new pilots, this drone features altitude hold and headless mode. Combined with advanced sensors, it provides stable hovering for effortless control and a smooth learning experience. Equipped with efficient brushless motors, it offers quieter operation and enhanced durability. The modular design and included carrying case make it easy to take on any outdoor adventure. Unlock fun flight modes with our dedicated app. Utilize Follow Me, set custom flight paths, and share your amazing videos instantly, all while viewing the live feed on your smartphone. What we like. Featuring a 4K EIS camera for smooth, stabilized footage and dual GPS GLONASS for reliable positioning, this drone is built for impressive aerial photography. The powerful brushless motor ensures durability and quieter operation. If you're an enthusiast looking for advanced features like auto-return home and follow me modes for stunning outdoor shots, this drone offers great value. What people say. The camera can fly around your home to give you a bird's-eye view of any room. It can also record video and take pictures, so you can capture any moments you want. The drone is small and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.